What's up, Peak Timers? Welcome to this week's edition of Hot Wheels News. Each week we go over the latest of upcoming and newly released Hot Wheels. Let's get right into it. We've previously talked about the Japan Historics 3 set, but now we have some way better pictures of the cars on cards and out of box. Let's have a look at them. Our first car is the Nissan Skyline RS KDR 30. Check this red colored out with these really cool looking wheels. I just love the color contrast on them, and then we've got the graphics on the side of it. Car number 2 of 5 is the Honda City Turbo 2 in this very orange color with the number 11 on the side of it, and then it's got those special wheels as well. Car number 3 of 5 is the Nissan Silvia CSP 311. This is a very classic looking car, and you can see it's even got like wire type wheels on it, and those tires on there just look huge on this car. And car number 4 of 5 is the Datsun Sunny truck, and this is a really neat looking custom lowered pickup truck. I love the flared wheel arches on this one as well. It looks very fitting. And car number 5 of 5 is the 1968 Mazda Cosmos Sport. This is a very classic looking Mazda. You don't see these ones around very often, but it's really cool to get it in a historic set. Next up, a bunch of new released upcoming Hot Wheels castings, including this 1984 Audi Sport Quattro from the Factory Fresh series, the 2020 Jeep Gladiator from the Baja Blazers series, the 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version from the Hot Wheels Turbo series, which is a Zamac release, Erkenstein Rod from the Hot Wheels Hot Truck series, 1970 Dodge Power Wagon also from the Hot Wheels Hot Truck series. Another Hot Wheels Hot Trucks, it's the Datsun 620. We can never get enough Lamborghinis. We've got the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento from the Hot Wheels Exotic series. And check this recolor out. It's a white 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster from the Hot Wheels Roadsters series. We've got this cool flamed out custom Ford Maverick from the Hot Wheels Flame series, 64 Nova Wagon Gasser from the Muscle Mania series, 8 Crate from the Rod Squad series, the comeback of the Humvee from the Hot Wheels Art Cars series, a recolor of the Roger Dodger also from the Hot Wheels Art Cars series, a Bone Shaker with some cool deco on the side from the Hot Wheels Art Cars series, a recolor of the newly introduced Manga Tuner from the Toon series, the Pixel Shaker is back in a new color from the Hot Wheels Ride On series, Roger Dodger 2.0 is back in a cool looking color from the Muscle Mania series, Electro Silhouette from the Hot Wheels Exotic series, Motosaurus from the Hot Wheels Street Beast series, another recolor of the 96 Porsche Carrera from the Porsche series, Custom Auto looking good from the Muscle Mania series, another Bone Shaker, which is a Target Red Edition exclusive car, and finally it is the Skydome from the Olympic Games Tokyo 2020 series. A new segment that I will be adding to our weekly Hot Wheels news show is our deal of the week. And this week we have the Fast and Furious Hot Wheels Premium set, and in my opinion this is the best Hot Wheels Fast and Furious set ever made. This set includes the Nissan 240 SX, the Mitsubishi Eclipse, the Mazda RX-7, the Nissan Skyline GTR, and the Volkswagen Jetta MK3. If you want to pick up this set yourself, please use the first link in the description box below. It is an affiliate link, but it does not cost you anything extra if you want to purchase this set, and it does help support the Peak Time Racing channel. Moving on to some Matchbox news, and one of my favorite series of Matchbox cars is the Matchbox Superfast series, and we've got 5 new cars from that series. First is the Datsun 280 SX, the Volvo V60 Wagon, the 59 Volkswagen Microbus, the 74 Dodge Challenger, and my personal favorite from this set, it's the Mercedes G63 AMG 6x6. And next up, we have a Disney Tim Burton's Nightmare Before Christmas 25th anniversary set featuring the Street Creeper, Custom 69 Volkswagen Squareback, Super Van, Midnight Auto, Quick and Sick, Cool One, Cockney Cab 2, and Power Panel. Look for this set in store soon. You are now up to date in this week's Hot Wheels news. Make sure you smash that thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.